When we put a drop of water or unpurified water in a glass slide and observe under a microscope, we can see millions of algae floating over it. They are mostly colored and possess light-trapping devices in it. These free-floating particles are called phytoplanktons. The vegetative part of algae is called thallus. In this class, we are learning about the thallus structure. Algae are the photoautotrophic organisms that can be seen in aquatic and moistened environment. Algae can be microscopic or macroscopic. Microalgae are the algae that can be observed under a microscope. Cosmarium and oscillatory are some of the examples. Macroalgae can be observed by your naked eye, and Padina, Sargassum, Porphyra are some of the examples for macroalgae. The vegetative part of algae is called thallus. So, algae have a variety of thallus differentiation. They lack true stem, leaves and vascular bundles. The algal thallus may be of unicellular and multicellular. Unicellular forms are flagellated, non-flagellated and amoeboidal form, and multicellular forms may be of cenobium, filamentous, siphonous and parenchymatous forms. If unicellular form has flagella on it, then they are called flagellata and they are motile. Example is Chlamydomonas. If the unicellular forms doesn't have flagella and they move according to the water currents are called unicellular non-flagellated forms. Chlorella is an example for that. If the algae move under the protoplasmic extensions and they are called pseudoparenchymatous and amoeboidal form. Chrysamoeba is an example for that. Algae having more than one cell is called multicellular. Cenobium is an example for that, where you can see a colony of cells. Volvox is an example. Filamentous forms are cells arranged one above the other. They form branched or multi-branched. Siphonous forms are tube-like structures, and Vaucheria is an example for that. Parenchymatous algae have algal thallus where parenchyma cells are arranged in a row. Algae had a lot of importance in the present scenario. The study of algae is called phycology. As algae having a lot of biotechnological potential, this branch is getting more and more importance. They are the first organisms that had emerged on Earth. The undifferentiated plant body of algae is called thallus. The algal thallus may be of unicellular or multicellular. Algae play a major role in the bioconversion of the ecosystem. They can be used as food, fodder, fertilizer, biofuels, and they can also have lot of applications in pharmaceutical, nutraceutical and bioenergetical needs.